If you've ever wondered how people earn money online without creating a product, this is it. They do that with affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you the beginner version. It's simple, practical, and realistic. By the end, you'll know the exact steps to go from zero to your first affiliate commission, even if you have no audience and you've never sold anything online. And no, I won't tell you you'll be able to quit your job in 7 days. I'll just show you a real system that works when you treat it like a business. I'm Cha-Ching Blob. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is about building real online income the honest way. Here's what I'll walk you through today. How affiliate marketing actually works, how to pick a niche and products that convert, and I'll share a simple 30-day action plan to get your first results. Also, there's one beginner mistake that kills most people before they even start. They post links without building trust first. I'll show you how to avoid that so you don't waste weeks getting clicks and zero sales. Alright, let's start from the beginning. What's affiliate marketing really? Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product you trust, someone buys through your link, and you earn a commission. For example, let's say you use an online course, an AI tool, or a budgeting app. You make a video or post explaining how it works. You drop your affiliate link, and if someone buys, then you get paid. You don't create the product, you don't handle support, and you don't deal with refunds. Your job is just one thing: to help the right person make a good decision. In a minute, I'll show you a real beginner example. One niche, one platform, and one product, so you can see exactly how this looks in practice. Companies love this model because they only pay when a sale happens. No sale, no payout. Simple. That's why brands are putting more money into affiliates every year. And unlike recommending something to one friend, the internet lets you do this at scale through YouTube, blogs, short-form video, or email, while the same content works 24/7. But here's where most beginners mess this up. They drop links without warming people up first. Later in the video, I'll show you the exact order that actually leads to sales. This isn't passive on day one. It's real work, but it's simple work, and it scales without a boss, fixed hours, or income caps. Now, the big question most people ask is it too late to start? Let's look at why 2026 is actually one of the best times to begin. This next part is important, so don't skip it. Whenever affiliate marketing comes up, the first question is always the same. Isn't it saturated? Did I miss the boat? The short answer is no. And here's why. Reason number one, brands are paying more for results. Companies are putting more money into affiliates, not less. Why? Because they only pay when a sale happens. That makes affiliate marketing one of the highest ROI channels out there, and brands follow the money. Reason number two, it's no longer just coupon sites. This isn't 2012 anymore. Brands don't just want deal sites, they want real people. YouTubers, bloggers, TikTok creators, educators. If you can explain something clearly and help people decide, then you're exactly who they're looking for. Reason number three, more niches, not fewer. Affiliate offers exist now in almost every space, from software to finance, to health, to education and productivity, even business-to-business tools. That means you don't need a massive audience, you just need the right audience. Reason number four, tech levels the playing field. AI and simple tools make it easier than ever to create content, research keywords, and publish consistently. You don't need a team, you don't need fancy gear. One person with focus can compete. Reason number five, mobile and video favor beginners. Most people are discovering products on their phones through short videos. That's huge for beginners because you don't need a blog with 1,000 posts. One helpful video can outperform months of work. Here's the truth about saturation. Markets aren't saturated with trust. People don't want more ads. They want honest recommendations from someone who's done the homework. So, no, this isn't a get-rich-quick thing. But if you're willing to help first and sell second, then 2026 is wide open. Now, let me show you the 3 things every successful affiliate does, no matter the niche. After breaking down dozens of successful affiliate businesses, everything comes back to 3 simple pillars. Miss one and the whole thing collapses. Number 1, you don't need the biggest niche. You need one where people are already spending money. Too broad and you disappear. Too small and there's no demand. The sweet spot is a focused niche with a real pain like health, money, productivity, education, relationships, or fast-growing areas like AI tools or remote work. If people aren't already paying for solutions, affiliate links won't fix that. Number 2, affiliate marketing isn't about links, it's about trust. People buy from people who help them first. Top affiliates teach, review, and explain long before they ever pitch. The sale feels like a recommendation, not an ad. If you help someone solve a problem for free, they're way more likely to use your link when it's time to buy. Number 3, high commission doesn't mean high income. A product has to actually sell. Good affiliates look for 3 things: real demand, solid reviews, and a company people trust. A 20% commission on something people already want beats a 50% commission on something no one buys. One niche and a few products done well. Don't promote everything. Build momentum before you expand. Before we go deeper, let me show you a simple example so this doesn't feel abstract. Let's say your niche is productivity tools. Your platform is YouTube. You make short, helpful videos about showing how to stay organized, manage time, or get more done. And the product? A productivity SaaS tool like a task manager or planning app that pays recurring commissions. Your content might be something like, I tested 3 task managers for 30 days, and here's the one I actually stuck with. You explain what you liked, who it's best for, and who should skip it. Then you drop your affiliate link in the description. One video helps someone, that person signs up, and every month they keep using the tool, you get paid. That's the model. Now, let's start with pillar 1, because if your niche is wrong, everything else is harder than it needs to be. Take notes if you need to, and rewind if you miss something. Your niche is your lane. Get this wrong and everything feels hard. Get it right and people want to hear from you. You're looking for a niche where people have a problem and they are already spending money to solve it. A good niche usually checks 4 boxes. 1. Strong emotion. People care deeply about emotion in health, money, confidence, productivity, and learning skills. These never go out of style. 2. Recurring problems. The problem doesn't disappear after one fix. Think budgeting, fitness, productivity, and relationships. People keep coming back for help. 3. Multiple price points. You can recommend something free or cheap and something more premium later. That's how affiliates scale. 4. Growing interest. You don't need to chase hype, but rising trends like AI tools, online education, and remote work make it easier to grow. For example, instead of AI, a tighter niche could be AI tools for freelancers. That gives you content ideas, product ideas, and a clear audience. And one more thing, pick something you're actually curious about. You don't need to be an expert, but you do need to care. People can tell. Here's your action step. Write down 3 niche ideas, then do a quick reality check. Search YouTube, Amazon, or Google and see if people are already buying tools or courses in that space. You following? Good. Now, once your niche is set, your job is simple. Become helpful before you become promotional. Think 80% help, 20% promotion. If everything you post is a sales pitch, people tune out. Affiliate content usually falls into 4 buckets. How-to content that shows people how to do something better. Reviews and comparisons to show real pros, cons, and use cases. Lists. You can make best tools for X type content. Stories and experiments to show what you tried and what happened. One good piece of content can check more than 1 box. YouTube is great for tutorials and reviews. Short-form videos work for quick tips. An email is still one of the highest converting channels. It lets you build real trust over time. Before creating content, write down 1 question your audience would type into Google or YouTube, then answer that. And always check your content on your phone. If it's hard to read or watch on mobile, it won't convert. Once people trust you, the last step is choosing products that actually convert, because not all affiliate offers are worth your time. If you're still with me, this step is where everything clicks. Affiliate marketing becomes simple once people trust you. You recommend tools or products that genuinely solve their problem. You're not trying to sell everything. You're trying to recommend the right thing at the right time. This is why recurring tools like the productivity example I mentioned earlier are so powerful. Before promoting anything, run it through this quick filter. If it doesn't directly help your audience, skip it. Random offers kill trust fast. Always check reviews and user feedback. One bad recommendation can undo months of goodwill. Commissions matter, but context matters more. A small commission on a product people actually buy often beats a huge commission on something nobody wants. Recurring commissions like software tools are especially powerful because one sign-up can pay you month after month. Well-known brands and proven creators usually convert better. Look at cookie duration and tracking reliability. Longer cookies give you more chances to get paid. Here's the beginner rule. Start with 2 or 3 solid products. Learn what converts, then expand. For example, if you're in a productivity niche, there could be one free tool to recommend, one paid software with recurring commissions, and one higher ticket course or program. Once your products are picked, the last piece is setting up the basic tools so everything runs smoothly without getting technical. Quick heads up, this part sounds technical, but it's not. You don't need fancy tools or a big budget to start. Here's the basic setup. A simple website or home base where your content and links live. Keep it clean, fast, and mobile friendly. Use a tool that shortens and tracks your affiliate links so you know what's getting clicks and what's not. An email list matters because it lets you stay in touch with people who trust you, and it consistently converts better than social media. You don't need to obsess, but you do need to know what's working, hence tracking your analytics. Track clicks and traffic so you can double down on what converts. Use simple tools to design, write, and record your content. AI can help speed things up, but always add your own voice. And honestly, one of the most important tools is consistency. A simple content calendar beats motivation every time. Now that you know what to use, let's talk about what not to do, because these mistakes wipe out most beginners. I see beginners make the same mistakes over and over. If you avoid these, you're already ahead. Mistake number 1, doing too much at once. You need to focus first. Pick one niche, a few products, and one main platform. That's it. Mistake number 2, selling too early. Always teach first and recommend second. If your first content is all links and no help, people will leave. Mistake number 3, ignoring mobile. Most people will see your content on their phone. If it's hard to read or slow to load, it won't convert. Mistake number 4, not tracking results. Pause here for a second because most people miss this. Data turns effort into income. If you don't track clicks and conversions, you're playing the guessing game. Mistake number 5, chasing commissions. High payouts don't matter if the product doesn't help your audience. Mistake number 6, unrealistic expectations. This is a real business, so treat it like one. Early months are about learning and setup, not instant income. Most beginners earn little at first. They build momentum with consistency. Those who quit early never see it. Once you have some traction, there are smarter ways to scale. Now, this part is optional when you're just starting, but you should save it for later when you're ready to grow. Build trust before pitching with email sequences. Webinars increase conversions when done right. Borrow attention instead of buying it. Use retargeting ads to bring warm visitors back. A good community turns followers into long-term customers, and this is where a lot of people move from random income to predictable income. Let's keep expectations grounded. Your first 3 months should be all about learning setup and creating your first content. You'll start to notice early traction starting at month 4. That's when you start testing and preparing for steady growth over the next 8 months. Your second year should be all about scaling with systems, products, and multiple income streams. Even faceless channels have a personality. Yours is how you teach, explain, and help as long as you're consistent, helpful, and human. People don't buy because you're perfect. They buy because they trust you. All right, let's wrap this up with a clear action plan you can actually follow. Affiliate marketing works when you do 3 things well. Pick a niche people spend money in. Create content that actually helps. And recommend products only after trust is built. This isn't about chasing every offer. It's about doing a few things consistently. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. If you want a simple way to get momentum, here's a realistic 30-day plan. Days 1 to 7 are your foundation. Choose one niche, pick 2 to 3 solid products, and set up a simple site or home base. Days 8 to 14 are for content creation. So create 3 to 5 helpful pieces of content. Answer real questions people are already asking, and set up an email list and a simple freebie. Days 15 to 21 will focus on publishing and engagement. Start posting consistently. Share your content where your audience already hangs out, and focus on helping, not selling. Days 22 to 30 are to review and improve. Check what's getting clicks, improve titles, thumbnails, and placement, and then plan your next month based on what worked. If you don't make a sale in month 1, that's normal. If you focus on progress, revenue will follow. Affiliate marketing in 2026 isn't disappearing. What's disappearing is low effort, low trust content. If you focus on helping real people solve real problems, this can turn into a long-term income stream. Not overnight, obviously, but sustainably. To make this easier, I put together a free affiliate starter checklist. It walks you through the exact steps we talked about: niche, content, tools, and first offers. You can grab it using the link in the description. And if you want feedback, templates, and weekly guidance, check out the community below. That's where I help people avoid the mistakes we covered. If this video helped you, hit like and check out my channel often. I post practical, no-hype guides like this every week. Next up, I'll show you how creators talk about money on YouTube without showing their face and actually convert viewers into income. I'll see you in the next one.